Right, today's video, making some scoops. This is my new motor. Had it a couple of weeks now, so air scoops. Went to buy some, 50 odd quid, and I looked at the design, really simple. Thought I'm not paying that for that. So they fit in here underneath this ducting, and whether they have a purpose or not, I just think they look cool. I'm sure they have a purpose, but whether that purpose is justified, I don't know. So, made a template that kind of bends up, folds in. Made one out of steel already. This is the driver's side. I thought I'd make and walk you through the passenger side. So, to show you how they fit in, they just slide in there. Got to drill the hole for it to go through, but you can see from the front, once they're painted red, it looked pretty cool on each side. And that's where they'll sit. So I'll grab that out of there. So I've marked the next template onto the steel already. We'll cut it out. This is just the tab that I make into there, but it'll be on the other side. And we should have two of them. So what I'll do, I'll cut it out. At the end, I'll mark up all the measurements on there, and you can make your own if you like. So let me just cut this out, and I'll get back to you. Right, so cut it out. I've scored the lines where the fold marks are, just makes it easier to fold, yeah. This top edge I bent with a hammer, and I'll trim it back later on. Decided to cut along the folded edge. This would give it a nice straight edge where you see it on the car, so it won't, you won't see any flecks in the metal. So all you do now is you start to bend up. You get your rough shape. So let's see, that isn't far off. But if I just trim this bit here, this bit I'll bend round with a hammer. As you can see, it takes its shape. I'll put, I don't know, maybe a little nut and bolt through there each side just to keep the shape so it won't move. They'll be sanded, primed and painted red. What I'll do, I'll slide that in, put the cowl on, and I'll draw around like I did on the other one. Then I'll trim this back, drill the hole, I'll bend that back, and what I'll do is I'll put a little hole through there into the car, one rivet or a screw, and that'll pretty much secure it then. And that's pretty much the design. So what I'll do, I'll pause it now, I'll put the measurements up just so you can, if you're going to make a template, you can do it. And there you go. Right, back in a second. Right, so if I hold that up, this is what we're looking at. So you got 60mm with a 10mm lip, 125mm from this line to that line. From the fold creases, which are here, I start out with a 40mm guideline all the way around, and then I can trim it back. So if you trim it back 10 on the bottom, this is the crease line here, 40. It's 25mm from there to there, and then a 20mm gap from there to there, which gives you this grip. And then I think that's pretty much it. You can, this is like, it's 25mm from there to there, there to there, 40mm from there to there. The gap from here to here is 20, 10 at the bottom, and that'll fold up. It pretty much gives you that shape. Fold that edge over. I trimmed this back a bit. The 10mm was a bit much. You can do the same. So I bent it round with a hammer. I will trim this back up. Once you put it in the car, when you lay the cowling on top, you can draw around where the tab should be. Mark your hole, drill it, and that's pretty much it. I'll show them you on the car now. Right, so that's them on the car. They've just got to be bolted up into place. And then they fit under their treat, so you can't really see them. Sorry, the light. Right, okay, beautiful. So background on the car itself, 335D twin turbo. It's had a stage 2 remap. It's got the Wagner downpipe, PDF delete, Wagner intercooler. It's had swirl flap delete, EGR delete. Painted the calipers the other day, so they're all red. It's had upgraded brake discs on the front and rear. It's a nice car. So installed an oil catch can the other day because took the EGR delete section off and it was filled with oil, so it was either fuck, the turbo seals have gone, but more than likely the CCC valve needed replacing. I've got another one on order, but created a catch can. Just got some aluminium foil tape over there for now because it's so close to the turbo. I have ordered gold. Catch can snugs in directly behind here, and I've done about 400 mile. It's probably got about that much in the bottom, but so it is, over thousands of miles. It will catch some oil. Right, last little look. Once they're red, they'll stand out a bit. Quite pleased with that. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. One last look at this. So if you want some more 335D content, give us a shout or a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.